Jeffrey, how much will my property rent for? If you are considering renting out your property, this is a key question that you are going to need the answer to. The answer to this question lies in obtaining a rental analysis. In short, this is a report that will show what other comparable homes have rented for. As a real estate broker, we have access to the multiple listing service, also known as the MLS. The MLS is a database that tracks information on properties that have sold and leased. To create this rental analysis, we will access the MLS. We will look for comparable homes that have rented within the last 12 months. Criteria, basic factors. We're going to start the search using the basic criteria, which includes property type, such as single-family residences, condos, or townhomes. Bedroom and bathroom count. For square footage, this includes other comparable properties that are up to 20% in square footage, a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. City. This includes properties that are within the same city. And finally, time frame. This includes properties that have been leased within the last 12 months. Most of the time, these basic factors are going to generate enough data to be able to complete the rental analysis. A key indicator to pay attention to is the average days on market. This will allow an owner to get an idea of the average number of days that it takes for a property to rent out. In addition, when we review a rental analysis, a very clear pattern will appear. It's important to note, pricing is never a set dollar amount, but more so of a range. The data is going to show that most of the properties that have rented out will fall within a certain range in pricing. We call the bottom side of the range the floor in pricing, and the top end of the range the ceiling in pricing. In general, there's always going to be outliers that are above the range and outliers below the range. But for the most part, the majority of the rental homes are going to fall within that range. Obtaining a rental analysis is going to provide you as the owner with a key piece of information, which is what the property can rent for. We are happy to prepare and provide you with a rental analysis. To do so, all we need is a property address, and we can get that back out to you within 1 business day.